Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to block and unblock someone on JusTalk mobile app. So let's check it out. JusTalk might change the steps for doing all this in the future. If the options appear different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. JusTalk is a widely used application for chatting with friends and strangers. Sometimes we have to block certain users for a peace of mind, and sometimes we can unblock them if things get sorted out. We will see how to do that now. To do this, we have to take our smartphone and open the JusTalk app. Let's say you want to block this person, that is me. We can go to the chat and select the name or profile picture. We will get like this. Then we have to go to this three-dot menu, go to manage friendship, and here we will get the block option. So if we select this block option, we will get this pop-up for confirmation. Three things will happen. We will remove this person as a friend. We won't get any future messages or friend requests from this person, and the existing chat will be deleted. So if you are okay with all this, then we can select the block option. That's all. So we instantly get this unblock option. We can select this if we want, or if you want to unblock anyone else, then we can go to our profile picture here and then go to the settings, go to privacy, here go to block list, and here we can see the list of users or friends we have blocked. We can select this and we can unblock. So we get two options here, unblock and add friend, or just unblock. We can select which one we want and we can proceed further. That's all. And this person can also give friend request again, and you can accept them and chat or call like before. These are the steps to block and unblock someone on JusTalk app. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.